Hi friends, I would like to share some information with you. So these are DigiYatra gates. The DigiYatra gates are available at Mumbai International Airport, Terminal 2. So on Play Store, you can go and download it there, and that is easy process. You have to download it, and then you have to verify with your Aadhaar card. Then you need to upload your boarding pass on the DigiYatra app. So once you have, when you register with your Aadhaar card on DigiYatra app, so you have, then after that you have to upload your boarding pass on the DigiYatra app. Your barcode will be generating after first. So the next thing is you have to come here and just stand here and just look at the camera. Yeah, the camera will show you, scan your face. So even I don't have DigiYatra, that's why I'm not able to, the machine is not reading my face. So if I'm using a DigiYatra, so I can go inside. So I think guys, the DigiYatra only applicable for domestic passenger, not international passenger. So this is useful for all domestic passengers. See. They just came and scanned. That's it. They came and they came and scanned their face and they went inside. That's it. It's all easy process, guys. So do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. So these are DigiYatra gates, guys. This passenger is going to scan his face. आगे जाइए सर, और आगे जाइए सर. ये कैमरे देखिए. उधर ही रुकिए सर, उधर रुकिए. हो जाएगा, उधर ही खड़े रहो. और आगे जाइए. इधर आइए, इधर. और आगे आओ. That's it. Yeah, he finally scanned his face and he went inside. So don't need to stand in the line for the verifications. See, if you don't have DigiYatra, so that passenger will go to the other side. They will come to the manual entry gate. So if the passenger have DigiYatra, they will come to the DigiYatra gate and they will come and scan their face and they will go inside. So I think it takes 2 minutes or 1 minute. The passenger can quickly go inside from the DigiYatra gates. So please guys, please subscribe my videos and share your friends. So just look at the airport. This is a Mumbai International Airport. If you have any question, if you have any inquiries, you can comment me on these videos. I will reply for you. Okay, see you guys. See you in the next videos. Thank you so much. Love you all.